how to draw the NBA logo. We are going to start by drawing a long line on the left side of our page. This will be part of the outline for our NBA logo. Then at the bottom of that line, we are going to curve it a little bit to the right. Then we will continue that line going to the right. And at the end of the line, we are going to curve it upwards. Then we are going to draw a line going up and down connecting to that will be half as long as the line that we drew on the left side at the beginning. Then at the top of this line we are going to leave a small space and then continue drawing a straight line going up and down. At the top of the line on the right side, we are going to draw a curved line that goes to the left and then a small straight line continuing to the left. And then we are going to do the same thing on the left side, leaving a small space in between these two lines at the top so that they do not connect. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now at the very top where there is that small space, we are going to draw a slightly curved line going downwards from the left side of the line. This is going to be the left side of the head of our NBA player that is on the logo. Then we are going to draw a line similar to the one that we just drew, but this is going to connect to the line on the right side of the space at the top. Then we are going to draw the neck of our NBA player, so we are going to draw a small line going downwards, kind of slanted to the left from either side of the head. Next we are going to draw the right side and arm of our NBA player. We will start at the right side of the head that we just finished drawing and draw a curved line going downwards, connecting to the top of the space on the right side. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a half circle connecting to the bottom of the opening on the right side. This will go around and almost connect to the line that we just finished drawing, which is where the right arm and hand of our NBA player is. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now from the top of that half circle, we are going to draw a line going upwards, finishing the right arm of our NBA player. Then from that, we are going to draw a diagonal line that goes down and to the left a little bit for the torso of our player, and then the line is going to go diagonally downwards to the right, starting the top part of our NBA player's leg. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to continue that line going downwards to finish the right leg as well as the foot. The foot will connect to the very bottom of the outline that we drew. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the left side of our NBA player. We are going to start at the neck and draw a diagonal line going towards the left. This will be the right shoulder and start of the arm. Then we are going to draw a line that goes a little bit to the right, and then a small diagonal line going down and to the left. From that, we are going to draw a line going downwards that's slightly curved. Then we are going to draw a diagonal line from that with a few curves in it going all the way down, connecting to the right side of the foot that we drew before. Wow, our drawings are looking awesome! We're almost done, but first, right here, we are going to write NBA in bubble letters. For this part, I will draw part of each letter and then move my hand away so that you can follow along. These letters are going to be tall and skinny. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the B right next to the N. Also, stick around until the very end of our video so that you can see our drawing all colored in. Looks amazing! We're almost done. The final step will be to draw the A right next to the B. This is how to draw the NBA logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, check out our logos playlist for more sports logos. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.